IDM not downloading YouTube videos. Try these quick fixes in under a minute. First, enable IDM browser integration and extensions and restart your browser. Second, update IDM to the latest version from the official site and relaunch the app. Third, check IDM detection, open options, and enable advanced browser monitoring. Fourth, clear your browser cache and disable conflicting extensions like other downloaders or privacy blockers. After each change, refresh YouTube and test downloading a short clip to confirm detection. If it still fails, change IDM's capture method to automatic or browser monitoring in options. Verify your browser user agent and ensure YouTube isn't listed in IDM's exclusion or restricted sites. For dash or adaptive streams, enable the flash downloader option or use IDM's built-in grabber tool. If problems persist, export IDM settings, uninstall, reinstall, then import your settings back. Quick recap: enable integration, update IDM, enable detection, clear conflicts, adjust capture, reinstall if needed. Subscribe for more tech fixes and comment below if these steps solved your IDM YouTube issue.